How to transcribe audio to text for totally free. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty easy video. Now you might have seen some other videos on YouTube as well, and they all use like this virtual cable, and then they do it in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and you have to download a bunch of things. Now for this video, you don't have to download anything. It's actually very easy to do. And the good thing is, in my opinion, is that you can do it with existing audio files as well, or download audio files from somewhere or from YouTube or whatever, and then you can also do it. Now, I really like to record my audio files in, for example, Audacity, and I've already recorded it right here. It's about 20 seconds long, and I already exported it to an MP3 format. I got it over here. It's called Audio Test, and this is what we're going to use. Now, what are we exactly going to do? Now, on CapCut, we're going to upload our MP3 file and convert it to an MP4 video. Then we're going to upload this on YouTube to private, and then put the video link in this YouTube transcript tool, which will transcribe your audio in a matter of seconds to text. So I'm going to go through the process with you guys. Simply drag the audio file in here, click on the plus icon, and once it's done, simply go to export, and then you want to give it a name. Audio test. Since we really don't have to think about how the video looks like, we can just leave it on this. Keep in mind that it should be MP4 though. Export the video. Now, since it's only 19 seconds for me, or 20 seconds, this will not take very long. Then once it's done downloading, simply hit download. Then it should be right over here in your downloads. Now we're going to go to YouTube, click on create, upload a video, drag the video in here, then make sure that this is set for no, it's not made for kids, or else you can't upload the video. Simply go to visibility, and we actually want to put this to unlisted. Now it is actually set to private, but anyone with the link to the video can watch your video. So that's actually very nice, because now nobody will be able to see my video when they are on YouTube unless I send them the link specifically. So now click on save, and you can copy the video link right over there. You might have to wait a little bit before your video is completely processed, or else this website might give an error. So I believe now it's actually processed pretty well, and it's also a very short video. But simply paste it in there, hit go, and yeah, it still gave me the error, but I'll just click on it a couple of times, and there you go. So now the video was completely processed. Then you can simply copy all of the text and paste it somewhere you would like. Let's say CapCut doesn't work for some reason, then there's also an alternative called v.io. This is also a pretty nice online video editor. So here you can also, for example, upload your audio file. Let me do that real quick, and then simply convert it to, or export it to an MP4 file. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.